Hourglass is way too expensive, in my opinion. My stream has gone a long way, sorta. I mean, I don't really have much followers, as much as, you know, I want to, but it is something. Cat players unite. I added all the Katarina mains in my elo. There was only like one dedicated one, but still added them. I just want to see what people's input was on like season 6 Cat. Everyone has different opinions. Well, maybe mine's just hella different because everyone like maxes Q and shit. It's like, nah, chill. W always. Sup farts. Hooray. Right.
Welcome to the
Thank you for the follow. Alright, so against Viktor, he probably went Q first. I guarantee he's gonna try Qing me. Yeah? I'm gonna auto every chance I get so I don't lack level. Okay, so he Q'd a minion. Q'd a minion and then auto me, that's fine. I didn't take as much damage as I could have there. Ooh, did he still take that damage? I think he did. I'm just waiting for his auto to. Ooh. Okay, so I'm gonna hit 6 or level 2. Ooh. Alright, we're good. Alright, he has Ignite, so I can't play too aggressive, but I want to apply as much pressure and take away as much pop. Oh, thank you for the donation. Oh god, I have to. I can't check right now, but thank you. I'll check later. Wait. I just want to apply as much pressure as possible because I'm gonna TP back anyway. I'm guessing jungler's top because they pinged it. Is he? I don't know. But me and Viktor are somewhat on the same terms. I just want to farm up my null magic and then TP back. Okay, so that's that one. Oop. Okay. Can I get my null magic? If he flash autoed me, I would have been dead. Flash auto ignite. He should have actually. He should have done it a lot quicker. But yeah, I'm gonna go back for null magic and just TP back into it. Null magic. Soon. Oh, what? He got fucked by tentacles. Alright, bot lane doing well, bot lane doing well, that's a good sign. When you're playing Katarina, if your other lanes are doing well, then it's almost guaranteed win. Like, as long as you don't as long as you do your job, like your team's gonna have enough damage. Well, that's just from my experiences. Alright, Viktor's gonna be way ahead of me in farm. He has double Dorons. Mid. Is he going full out AP? I just want to build full tank, honestly. Okay. Viktor pretty much has full reign on me. He's levels up, and I'm just like getting zoned out. He's probably gonna harass the shit out of me under tower as well. I wonder if Lee Sin will help me. Ooh, I dodged that. Okay, Lee Sin is not relatively low, so he's not gonna help me. Okay, so Viktor is 6. Misty Cannon. It's my farm right now. Standard. Just losing in farm, like always, losing lane. Standard Katarina. It's okay to lose lane, because that's not what you're playing the game for, so it's all good. Okay, I can't really walk up to see us. He's gonna eat. Wonder if Lee Sin will help me. He's definitely gonna just push. Ooh, is Lee Sin going? Oh no, he's going top. How's that gonna work out? I think Viktor would kill me anyway.
No going back.
Okay, I'm backing. Nice one. Oh, Lee Sin missed his Q. Holy fuck, dude. Oh my god, Lee Sin missed all his Qs. Hello? Oh my god, Lee Sin missed all of his Qs. Always scary. Fed now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, we're good. Team is behind, boys. Should I go full glass or should I go tank anyway? Viktor has evolved his little thingy.
Because I can.
I have teleport in 5, so I can just like, I can kind of be there around the map. Okay, I can't, yeah, they don't need me. Alright, his damage is not that scary anymore. Cause I got the Negatron. But it's still annoying, it's still annoying. Like, holy fuck, it is. Should I go full AP? I'll go full AP. Alright, I successfully ran away from that one. Got him, boys. Thank you, Lee Sin. Really needed that. Alright. I'll apply as much pressure as I can from here on out. Oh. Alright. I want to help him out, but it doesn't seem too likely. Alright. Since Lucian Flash, I'm going. Oh, Lee Sin. Okay, Lucian just like, I mean, I guess the TP kind of made him like straight up die. Because he decided not to leave, but well, whatever. That was fine. Yeah, I'll go AP because of Zill. But then like Tank Cat is so funny. What's up, Smock? I mean, I'm gonna build this Abyssal and see where to go from there, okay? Because Tank Cat, honestly, like, I build it just for fun anyway. And yes, playing ranked for fun, that's what I'm talking about. Got him. Dude, this Gnar is just getting fucked. Bent over. Oh fuck. Okay, I'm coming. Let's try to do something here. Fuck. 2, 1. Please. Shut down. Viktor might no. Okay. He's gonna get it. He might actually get the tower, but it's fine. We shut down top lane. I sometimes don't even want to say her name because I feel like I'm gonna mispronounce it. I sound stupid saying her name actually. What's up, TJE? Please. Oh, nice, nice. Good shit. Good shit. Bot lane. What's up, Saman? New champ sounds good. Simple, straight to the point, and you don't have to go through the embarrassment of saying your name wrong. Why the fuck is this cannon minion just like... I'm just gonna look at it. Like, this, I don't know. He's scared. He's definitely scared. I'm gonna spare him. Sorry, you have to go. Going bottom. Janna? Cannot do it. Is Janna gonna stay? Please, 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 please. Oh, 3. Okay.
Your turret has been destroyed.
Not my middle. Oh shit, you trying to stop my recall. Alright. To go Sunfire? Fuck it. Fuck it. Fuck it. It's the build I'm talking about. Ooh. Ooh, good shit. Good shit, I'm coming. Bitch is scary. What am I supposed to like? What does she even do? Okay, I guess I have to dodge that. Blue's gone, right? Yeah. Okay, at least don't go in. Alright, good. I'm just gonna. Okay, I'm just gonna give Nar the farm. Like he needs it. Oh, I was gonna take him my farm though. Counting down my, yeah, I was. I'm from the US. I'm fucking hungry. Alright, give me 2 seconds. Damn. If I didn't get hit by that Q, maybe I would have won it. I mean that E. Definitely backing. Jan is here. Yep, he's backing. Can we try to get Dragon? I want to farm a little bit more for actually, oh fuck, Lisa. Kick him. He keeps missing his cues. I'm here. I'm here, buddy. Alright, I'm not sure what boots I want. Alright, this Lee Sin has plans.
Only fools hesitate.
Are we dragoning? Okay, we're dragoning. Oh, we already got it. Before I could even know. Oh, should I have 3 kills? The fuck? Whee! Wait, civilian? Wait. Alright, we're good. Oh wow, I thought I dodged that too, what the fuck?
Why? Because I can.
Alright. Lisa miscue, I'm back. Can I? Wait, alright, I don't even have enough for Sunfire. Let's see, what's good? I might... You know what, I'm not gonna decide on the boot yet. Okay, I'll turn down my music. I don't know if that's better. I don't know if that's too low. We'll see.
Ready for trouble?
Coach you. I'm a shitty coach. Pretty sure. You can't trust me to coach anybody.
I've made my choice.
I have TP for top.
I like.
I have TP anyway. I have TP anyway, so I can split. Ooh, that did nothing now. I'll just take those for days, no problem. Lend the Q. Thank you. Alright, I fucked up that war jump. Alright, let's see Echo. Alright, we're good. Come on, the Q. Alright. I'm gonna ward like right here. So I can TP to it. Wait. Oh, there you go. Ooh, can you stun her? Oh, okay. Good shit. We can kill them all now. Easy. See, I just initiate, go in, tank, no problem. Holy fuck. Okay, I can't. I'm backing. I have TP anyway. I have TP. Oh my god, the spam in my chat is real.
Keep friends close and enemies distant.
All these Katarina mains, man. What's up?
Why?
Remember, Abyssal, make sure Sunfire is stronger. The synergy is real. Holy shit, the damage is so rich. That shit fucking hurt.
No pulling back.
Let me help you out, buddy. Lisa hit a Q. Lisa hit a Q.
An enemy
Alright, we're good.
has been slain.
I need help taking that, please.
To the point.
Ow. No, I've been cursed. Alright, alright. I know how this works. Tentacles are gonna come out of nowhere and I gotta kill them. Alright, we're good. Where's more tentacles? Seppi! Seppi Shim! Oh, are we going? Is she fucking cursing me again? Do I have to kill these again? Can I kill them? They're gonna wreck me. Oh, thank you. Dude, that's kind of scary. I'm TPing it. Nothing to TP to! Oh, okay. Alright, Jenna. Oh, we're burning? I guess I have to tank, because I'm the tank, you know. They can't do it without me, pretty much. Ooh, good thing I was there. I was afraid they were gonna die. At least I know that's my fun. Respect the tank cast right now. Number on the bottom? Oh, really? Shit. I wasn't even looking. I just get so scared and paranoid. And then, like, I just panic and that's it. I don't focus on anything else. All the rod items, that's all you need, dude. What am I building next? Thorn mail? I mean, Echo and Echo's AP. He's AD. Okay, I guess at this point I should just go AP, huh? Alright, fuck it. What the fuck? You don't need me, dude, at all. Discord? Sure, hold on. Oh, Nars, fuck. Want me to buy Gunblade? Holy fuck, he got destroyed. Here, motherfucker. Let's fight. Yes! That's what I'm talking about. Surrender, GG. Sorry, can't build Gunblade for you.